Hello and welcome. So from next video, let's just try to make a video player application. So first, let me show you how the application UI would look like. So this is how our video player UI would look like. And here we have a duration, and here we have option to change the volume. And similar to audio player, we can change the volume by pressing this button, as well as we can change the volume by just scrolling through this scale widget as well, right? Here we have an option to play the music, or I would just say to play the video file, to stop the video file, to pause the video file. So first, let me just select any video file and see how it will look. So I will click on this guy, and from here and to select on videos. So let's just see whether it works or not. And I can see that a couple of videos are there. So let me just try to select this video. Okay. So the video is loaded and I will click on play. So I can see this video has been played. Now let me select some other video. Let's say this video. I will click on play. So this video I can go like this. I can scroll through any duration. So this is working fine. I can go fast forward. I can go back. I can pause this video. I can unpause this video. I can stop this video. I can pause this video. I can stop this video. I can play from there only. I can decrease the volume by this guy. I can increase the volume by this guy. And I can decrease the volume like this and increase the volume like this as well. So let's just try to make this video player application from the next video. So we'll see you there. Thank you.